Today, I'll walk you through how to film a video on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create engaging videos so you can share your moments with friends and followers. First, let's open your Snapchat app. This is where all the magic begins. If you don't have the app yet, you can easily download it from your app store. Once you have it open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now look to the top right corner of your screen and press on the drop-down button. This button is like a gateway to additional features, allowing you to customize your filming experience. If you don't see it right away, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Just take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, tap on Director Mode. This mode gives you more control over your filming options, making it easier to create the perfect video. Think of it as switching from a regular car to a sports car. You gain more speed and flexibility. Once you're in Director Mode, you can select the filter that you'd like to add. Filters can enhance your video and make it more visually appealing, so choose one that fits your style. Now it's time to start recording. Tap on the bottom middle of your screen to begin the recording process. You'll notice a timer indicating that you have at least a minute to capture your video. This is your moment to shine, so don't rush. As you film, remember to be yourself and have fun. The beauty of Snapchat is in its spontaneity, so embrace the moment and let your creativity flow. Once you're done recording, you can review your video and make any edits you desire before sharing it with your friends or on your story. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to film a video on Snapchat. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different filters and recording techniques. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.